Hello everyone, this is K-Size. Today, I'm going to show you how to use KSL V605 series capacitive level gauge. First, let's start with its communication protocol. The sensor's default communication rate is 19,200 bits, which means the baud rate is 19,200 bps. For the data bit configuration, 1 start bit, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity check. Next, I'll cover some common Modbus commands and operations for the sensor. The first common operation is modifying the baud rate. When we get the sensor, we first connect the wires properly. The sensor's default Modbus ID is 1. Then, by checking the appendix of the Modbus protocol, or Section 2.2, one of the Modbus protocol, we can see that the baud rate corresponds to the high 8 bits of the address 0x00. So first, we need to read the current baud rate. We send this command string 0103000001. Click Send. After sending, we receive a response 010302060117 letters 24. This 7A24 is ACRC check, so we don't need to pay attention to it. What we need are the values 06 and 01. 6 is the high 8 bits of the register at address 0 by 000. Then, by referring to the table in Appendix A of the Modbus protocol, we can find that 06 corresponds to a baud rate of 19,200. Now, if we want to modify the baud rate, we need to change the value 06 to another one. For example, to set it to 9,600 baud rate, we need to change 06 to 05. Let's proceed with the modification now. Keep the last digit of 010600000501 unchanged. This digit is the Modbus ID, which is 01. Click Send. After sending, we get a response 010600000501. Now let's verify if the baud rate modification is successful. Switch to the read command 01030000. Change it to 001, then click Send. Send it at the 19,200 baud rate, and you'll find there's no response. That means the modification was successful. We need to switch to the 9,600 baud rate. Click Send. To get a response. The response we receive is 010302050117 at 4. 5 and 01 are the modified values. So now, we have changed the sensor's baud rate to 05, which is 9,600 baud rate. End of the first part. We understand your needs.